To execute first PHP script, first start your Xampp server. In control panel, start Apache server. When it is started, then in text editor, create one file. Right here, PHP script echo my first script. Now save this file in Xampp folder, means where Xampp is installed in C drive. There is one Xampp folder here. Find htdocs folder, htdocs. Here save your file and write down first.php. PHP extension must be there. Save. Okay, fine. Then open your browser. Right here localhost / your file name, first.php. That's it. Thank you.